So it's like 5 o'clock. Well, just a little after 5. I just got back upstairs from going downstairs to get the bus with my husband. And as you can see from my jacket, it's raining. It's not even really cold. It's just wet and miserable. And it would be even more miserable if it was actually cold, but it's 52 degrees. So that's not cold. Not for December anyways. I had a really crummy day at work. I could not wait to go home and be with my cat. Yes, I couldn't wait to come home to you. Because cats aren't people. I saw a shirt, like a suggested post on Facebook that is a shirt, and it says, "I hug my cat so I don't punch people in the throat." And that shirt is perfect for today. Look at him. Oh, oh, look at him. Look at him. Oh, he's your boochers. Alright, well, I cannot wait to get out of my pants. Sorry if that's like TMI. Do you know, sometimes you come home from work and it's like, I cannot wait to get these pants off. Just plugging in all my Christmas decor. In goes the tree. If I can find the damn hole. And now, to turn on, I don't know why I didn't do these while I was over here by the kitty. Say hello, Mr. Kitty. Say hello. Poochie poochie. Oh, yes. He's a good boy. Oh, yeah. Now, I'll plug in the lights at the entertainment center. Ta-da! 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 Don't ask about the ta-da. Like I said, it was a bad day. Hopefully tomorrow's better. But, it's hard to tell. We've been so short-staffed lately, it just sucks. And I didn't bring that shirt. That's too small. And to be returned. Maybe I'll do that tomorrow. I just know that the service deadlines are probably going to be long. But if I don't get it before Christmas, they're going to be even longer because of all the returns from Christmas. So, I should just get it in and do it. So it's almost 8:30 and I've been just sitting on my couch. I've been sitting on my couch watching YouTube videos and I haven't done anything. I still have to cook. I have presents that still need to be wrapped. But I also have, like, I work tomorrow and then I have Saturday off. So I have, like, tomorrow afternoon, night. Well, tomorrow night. And I don't have to go to bed, like, early. I mean, I can go to bed anywhere before midnight, so I don't have to be, like, in bed, like, 9:30, 10 o'clock, you know, although lately it's been, like, 10, I stayed up till 11:25 one night when I had to be at work at 7:30 in the morning, which was not a good idea. I need to make dinner. I ate I ate 2 hot dogs earlier because I got hungry, and I was going to make myself a turkey and cheese sandwich, but my turkey went bad, so I made hot dogs instead. But I have to make something for dinner so my husband can bring something to work to eat tomorrow. But I don't really feel like cooking. Yesterday I didn't feel like cooking either, and I made him chicken patties. But I don't want to give him chicken patties to bring to work again 2 nights in a row. Block. Maybe if my kitchen wasn't such a dirty, disgusting mess, I'd be more intrigued. More, I would feel more like cooking if my kitchen was actually clean. Like if I had clean dishes. But I feel like the only one who does them sometimes, so. And then it's like I do them all, and then I feel like in one day they're dirty again. I don't know. Maybe I'll just tell him to order some Domino's or something. This whole having to cook thing is a pain in my butt. I would go get Domino's, but it's raining, so I don't feel like going outside. I need to mail a letter. Well, not a letter, but a Christmas card. And it's raining, so I don't feel like going outside to a mailbox. And I don't, like, I guess there's like a little slot you can drop mail to be picked up by the mailman in there, but I don't really trust it. I'd rather go to the mailbox, and I mean, the post office is only like right across. Like, I walk out my apartment door, I walk up my street a little bit, and there's like a street that comes up. I cross the street, and the post office is right there, and they have like a big mailbox right outside. But it's raining, and I'm not a huge fan of going outside in the rain. I don't like I like rain, but when it's winter and night and all that stuff, no. Sorry, I keep looking at my TV because these girls that whose vlogs I watched are just being weird. Like, and I have this TV on mute, so I don't even know what the hell they're doing. Like, it looks like they got like some kind of coffee from McDonald's, but they like took the covers off and was like showing it to the camera, and I have no idea why. And now they appear to be FaceTiming with somebody. I don't know. I had a glass of wine too, so yeah. My arm randomly hurts. Okay, I'm gonna end this for now because there's really no point for me to be vlogging at the moment because I'm just rambling on with silly, ridiculous stuff. I don't think I've shown you guys my wallpaper, have I? I went and Googled Christmas wallpapers because I wanted a Christmas wallpaper to be even more in the Christmas spirit. This was a while ago too. Let's see if I can actually figure out what day it was. Let's see. Downloads. Christmas wallpapers. I actually downloaded a couple, but yeah. December 9th at 6:03 p.m. is when I got it. Feels like it was longer ago. Oh, I got it December 9th at 6:03 p.m. But I think it's really pretty. I'll show you some of the others too. So this is the one that I actually use. It's hard to fit my whole computer screen in there. I'm glad I didn't get something bigger. It'd be even harder. Oh, and there's also this one. That one's really cute too. Oh no, what did I do? Oh, we're currently in my wedding photos. And then there's this one. And this one. Although I'm not feeling the snow. What I like about Windows 10 is like you don't have to choose colors. Like when I had Windows 8, I had to choose all the colors. Or I could... My cat is eating his box that he sleeps in, so if you hear that random noise in the background, that's what that is. We already did that one, and then this is the last one, which I also think is pretty. I mean, I do love snow, don't get me wrong, but last winter we just had so much I'm all snowed out. I'm gonna switch to this one. Yay! And then all the colors are in here. Just like that. And like, I'll show you like what I mean by it chooses the colors for you. Like, oh. Hold on. Let me go back here. Like, oh, if I decided to use one of these. See, it chooses pitch. But that's like irrelevant because it's like the same colors I have had. Let me find one that will use different colors. Maybe this one, which you will recognize from my intro. Yeah, see? Windows 10 is way better than Windows 8. I just gotta throw that out there. So then if I come back here to my wedding photos and select that picture I had, and then I go in here. See, it's all pink now because the pink in my flowers. I would leave this here, but I really want something Christmassy. Let's get some pressing around.